This weather is regular Cleveland weather. I am at my favorite place. You see, I'm on the lake, but it feels a little different because on the lake it's 10 degrees cooler than regular, and I think it's about 60 today in Cleveland, Ohio. Hello! Okay, so I want to talk about Sora. Sora 2. Sora 2. So this is owned by Sam Altman, Chat GPT, that whole circle, and it's amazing. It's by invite only, and so far I haven't been able to get an invite. I went a couple of different ways. They're on the internet playing games, talking about giving you 10 different codes that don't work. Was able to get a little taste from one of the sites that I use to do the avatars, but it is hot. I saw what it could do. I can't wait. I cannot wait. What it could do is in a movie, say with Tom Cruise or one of the dudes, Denzel Washington, and put myself in as a cameo, okay, in the movie. And then I could be doing stunts. I could be swimming, flying, everything. But the main thing that I love about Sora is the cameos. So I cannot wait. Sora 2 just came out. Because see, this is what's going on. They keep on making it better and better and better. So you have to find stacks and tools that fit you, but also the best ones to look for is the ones that keep on getting better, keep on getting new features. So that's Sora 2, and I cannot wait. I sit at that computer. Then they had one of those guys that sells subscriptions talking about he could get you an invite code. I sit there and watch that mess all that time, and he never gave me an invite code, so I unsubscribed. And so I don't have an invite code yet, but I did watch all the videos and samples, etc. So I am looking forward to that. And so I've just been doing my Opus clip, and then they have new features. They have where you could do all at once instead of scheduling one at a time, but right now it's only good for YouTube. And I like to schedule all across social media. So I used that one time, and what it is that you could put your video up and hit schedule, and you could schedule the video every hour, every 2 hours, and keep it going. But it's YouTube only. They're working on the other platforms. But so Opus Clip is still in. So right now, the other day on the channel that I watch about AI, they said that right now it's 6,000 and counting every day. The AI tools and apps, etc. So what you have to do, excuse me, I just had my lunch, Popeyes. What you have to do is decide what's best for you, works well for you, and it goes by ease, whether you're a techie or not, if they have a free version, if the free version even works. So cost is important. So it's a few variables in picking your tool. So I would just say, just research. Like I gave up captions because I was paying $9.99, I think, a month for captions. And HeyGen does 100 times better than captions, but it is a learning curve. And I just got notice that HeyGen is putting Sora 2 inside too. That's creating my avatar. Now everybody uses their avatar different. I decided what I'm going to do is use my avatar for different languages because it does translate. So that's what I'm going to use the avatar for. So, and that's HeyGen. So when you Google who does the best avatars, you'll get quite a few. And I've tried quite a few, but I like HeyGen today. HeyGen has a lot of new stuff. They're constantly upgrading, constantly adding new tubes, and that's what you have to look for. So other than that, that's all I have for you today. Happy Wednesday.